All right, and health news for families living in and around Caledonia. There's a new option for convenient, close-to-home medical care. The newly expanded Caledonia location offers several convenient services in one location. Dr. Philip Henderson, a physician at the Caledonia location, is here with us today to talk about that clinic. Good morning. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Good morning. Thank you.
Yes, tell us a little bit about some of the services that are now available in Caledonia.
Well, it's really nice to be able to expand the office we had in Caledonia. One of our philosophies is trying to put care local to where people live. We found that people were traveling a long distance to get to some of our offices and services that they need. So we expanded a site we had in Caledonia. So now we offer primary care for the people in the community, but we also put a laboratory right in the same building, x-ray, plain x-rays, as well as really exciting, we put in a walk-in clinic for the people of the area.
Yeah, so I think you're kind of leading into my next question of why people would want to visit a clinic like this rather than just kind of trekking all the way into town into the ER or something like that first.
Well, the nice thing is you can get the same services in your community instead of having to drive long distances to get what you'd get somewhere else. So it really cuts down on that travel time, the convenience, and now that we're on electronic medical record, we share the same chart. So people's records will get through the specialists, their other doctors, just like it would be if they went somewhere in the city.
Yeah, and it's nice because a lot of people, even if you're traveling and you're in the area and all of a sudden you're feeling bad, I mean, just walk on in there and hopefully they can help you out, right?
Well, the walk-in center specifically for that, they can come in for really any type of minor illness, same day, no appointment necessary. Especially come summertime, you know, where we got some of the rashes popping out and you can't get into your doctor's office, they're too busy. You can walk right in. You do not even need to be a patient of that clinic. You don't need to be a patient of Spectrum Health. Anybody can actually walk into that site and be taken care of.
Yeah, I think you're talking a little bit too about why this is so important for the people in that area. You already talked about some of the distance and that sort of thing. Are you getting some feedback already from people?
It's been wonderful. We had an open house about a month ago. The reception of the community is absolutely astounding. The people in that community are so warm, they're so welcoming. It's really been fun to be able to see patients down there.
Is there a time though when people do maybe need to skip past a walk-in or something like that when it's a little bit more serious and go on, or should they start there first?
Great point. It is a walk-in clinic. It's not an emergency room.
Yeah.
So if it's a life-threatening illness or something of more severity, definitely they need to seek care at a higher level, not at a walk-in clinic.
And as you said, summer's coming up. Sometimes we get into some yard work and we get a weird rash or something like that. What other things seem to surface a lot during the busy summer months?
Well, right now we're having a plague of allergies. I mean, allergies are popping out left and right. So, you know, the watery eyes, runny nose, cough, minor illnesses, minor injuries. People with cuts, scrapes, people that are out there playing sports, getting the twisted ankles, the sore muscles after moving all that sand and dirt people are moving nowadays. So all that's something they take care of very well.
All right, so once again, another new convenient location thanks to Spectrum Health. The Caledonia Clinic is located at 9090 South Rogers Court, Suite A in Caledonia. And go ahead and give them a call, 616-891-0422. You can go to spectrumhealth.org/Caledonia.